Hi, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be installing this V-part wig that I got sent to me from Amazon. So the link will be in the bio. Sorry, I messed up.
You cried too when we vowed to forget it. And every day I wish I could forgive it. But if you just tell me you'll never lie to me.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. So thank you for watching. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be installing this V-part wig that was sent to me through Amazon. So the link will be in the description so that you can check out this wig. It's 18 inches. It's a V-part wig. And yeah, the quality is like really amazing. It's really soft and amazing. I really like it. And then the V-part wigs, simple. You just braid your hair down and they have all the clamps and everything right on here. So that's why I braided my hair. I tried to put 2 small braids right next to the leave out part and whatnot. And I just did a rough braid down because there's so many clamps to make sure that the wig is really secure. So yeah. So just gonna do it. So I'm just gonna install the wig, and I'm a little nervous about my leave out because my hair is pretty natural and I haven't had heat to it in a while. But yeah, we'll just see how it comes out.
Hey yo, Pluto, you going brazen? Let that shit ride, 88. Show me love now. That bitch ain't want me last year, just know that I hold a dog. I was so down this time last year, I'm just glad they say I'm up. I was so down this time last year, I'm just glad they say I'm up now. Turn my dreams into action, I turn my dreams into reality. Nothing's impossible when I say it factually. Tryna be a better me, don't care who I ain't mad at me. They call me to go, I said not yet, but that shit flattering. Sometimes I don't wanna talk, I see the call and I just they don't like to talk, I walk my walk, I just go out and I go through the cane. For nothing, gon' have every grain, special need a wedding ring. I came from nothing, gon' have everything. I ain't got time to lay my head down. My head above the water, I'm a swimmer, no I won't drown. Used to face them quarters, now I face a whole damn town. Think I am a dog and bitch, I come straight out the damn town. They see me rising up and now they wanna show me love. Now that bitch ain't want me last year, just know that that hoe a dog. I was so down this time last year, I'm just glad they say I'm up. I was so down this time last year, I'm just glad they say I'm up. I've been going at it for days, I ain't got time to lay my head down. My head above the water, I'm a swimmer, no I won't drown. Used to face them quarters, now I face a whole damn town. Think I am a dog and bitch, I come straight out the damn town. They see me rising up and now they wanna show me love. Now that bitch ain't want me last year, just know that I hold a dog. I was so down this time last year, I'm just glad they say I'm up. I was so down this time last year, I'm just glad they say I'm up. I was so down this time last year, I'm just glad they say I'm up. Now I lost my focus, had to shake it back, I had to buckle down.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm sorry, I always get a red spot on my face when I'm putting eyelashes on. But yeah, so as you can see, I did have trouble with this leave out part, but I just kind of gave it like more of like a natural type of look and left my edges out and stuff. But I really like it. I think it still came out cute, and just to go somewhere, you know, so you have a cute look going on. You don't have to not have no look, so I think it's still cute. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link to this hair in the bio. It's like really easy to put on and you can literally just take it right off. So yeah, check out the hair. It's from Amazon. It comes in like 2 or 3 days, so it's really convenient. So please check it out, and thanks for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel, of course, if you're watching, and thanks for watching.
See me rising up and now they wanna show me love. Now that bitch ain't want me last year, just know that I hold a dog. I was so down this time last year, I'm just glad they say I'm up. I was so down this time last year, I'm